I've been asked a question about the FS1WL pedal and the Boss RC-500. What is the maximum expansion you can do? Well, I've done it. Hey, it's JP, welcome to the channel. If you've never been here before and you want to learn all about looping, live streaming, and all the tools you need as a modern musician, then you've come to the right place. Have a look around the channel, click subscribe, and you'll know when the next video is out. And if you're into looping and you want to learn more about how to loop, I have an entire community on school.com where you can get access to all my courses. Link is in the description box. Now, before we get going, excuse the cables because I haven't got this on a pedal board. As you can see, we've got quite a few things going on here. So at the center of it all is the RC-500, and then you've got the FS1WL, and I've hardwired this in. So I've plugged it in by the TRS jack going into the in of the TRS jack of the RC-500. That's all to do with MIDI, but before we get to that, if you're familiar with the 500, you'll know you've got one control 1 2. So we've got an FS7 pedal here, and that is systematic. So what that's doing right now is that's going up and down the memories. Everything else plugged in is MIDI. So with this one cable, and I could do it wirelessly with a WIDI jack if I wanted to, because this is Bluetooth as well. But I've plugged it in wired just to show you that what you've got here is an expression, and you've got a control 1 2. You can just about see that there. So we've got an expression pedal here, we've got the Vexpress, and then I've plugged in a non-Boss pedal just to show it works with any two-step pedal. So we've got this NUX NMP2 light foot switch, and it comes with its own cable, so therefore it's a TRS cable that needs to go in. So it's got 2 commands. Now to sort all this out, all you need to do is get the app for the FS1WL and tell it what CC numbers to be for the commands. So I've gone with CC 80, 81 and 82, 83 and 84, and then we've got our expression. To cut the story short, you now have 3 buttons on the RC-500 that you can actually program up. You've got 2 extra buttons with an FS6 or FS7 or a 2-step button on here. So that's 5. Then we've got the FS1WL itself, which has got 3 buttons. And then finally for buttons, we've got a control 1 2 going in to this, which is actually 2 different MIDI sources. So we've actually got a total of 10 buttons and an expression pedal. Now, if you want to learn more about the RC-500, I have a full course, which is available on my website. It's here on YouTube, and it's also on the school community as well. Now, you can purchase the course individually, or if you're on the membership, it gives you full access. Links for the full course for the 500 is in the description box below. Now, the only downside with this, other than the wiring, because it's going to go on a pedal board, is actually it's going to be taking up 6 different assigns, and those assigns are per memory. However, if you build up a template, say on memory 1 first, and then you save that template, that's your template that you're using with all this, and then save it to a different memory, you'll have all that there. Control 1 2 is actually just control 1 2. It's not got anything to do with the signs whatsoever. And then you've got the FS1WL. So this is CC 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. And then you've got 1 assign for the volume control. So by default, these 3, you've got record, play, stop and clear, and track select. You could split it up. So you've actually got record, play, overdub. You got stop and clear, and you got something else for this, like maybe rhythm start stop. Then on here, you could have track 2. So you could have record, play for track 2, stop and clear for track 2, maybe undo, redo. You could have undo, redo on those 2. So then each 3 of these is track 1 and track 2. Or you could stick to what this does, and then you've got more expansion. I've got this set to memory up and memory down, as I said. So you've got that. With this, you could turn around and go, this is rhythm start, stop. This is rhythm variation. Then on top of that, you've got an expression pedal. So then you can actually say, well, this is the loop level. So the level of all the loops drops down, but then it doesn't drop the inputs. This one little pedal will actually expand the functionality of your RC-500 by adding 5 more pedals and an expression pedal, because it's got that control 1 2 and the expression import. If you want to see the full video of how I programmed this up to do all this stuff, that's this video that's just here. And if you want to grab one of these, that's in the description box below.